Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on an unsupported PC without using a USB drive. We'll use a Windows 11 ISO file and keep all your apps and personal files. First, click the Start button and select Settings. Go to System, then About. Here you can see this PC is running Windows 10 version 22H2. Now open File Explorer and go to the drive where your Windows 11 ISO file is stored. In this example, the Windows 11 25H2 ISO is located on drive D. Right-click the ISO file and select Mount. Windows will create a virtual DVD drive automatically. Open the newly mounted drive. In this example, it appears as Drive F. Now double-click setup.exe. As expected, the Windows 11 installer reports that this PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements because TPM 2.0 and the processor are not supported. Close the installer. Go back to the mounted Windows 11 drive. Click the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. A command prompt window will open directly in the mounted drive. Now type the following command exactly as shown on the screen. setup.exe/product server/compat IgnoreWarning /MigrateDrivers All. Press Enter. The Windows 11 setup will start again. Accept the license terms. The installer will now check your system and prepare the upgrade. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. This option allows you to upgrade without losing your installed programs, settings, or files. Click Install to begin the upgrade. The computer will restart several times during the installation process. Just let it continue until it reaches the desktop. After the upgrade is complete, you can now see that Windows 11 is installed successfully, even on this unsupported PC. And that's it. If this video helped you upgrade to Windows 11, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to enable notifications for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.